A palindrome is a number that reads the same forward and backwards. For example, 2442 and 111 are palindromes. If 5-digit palindromes are formed using one or more of the digits 1, 2, and 3, how many such palindromes are possible? So I find the last sentence here to be a bit confusingly worded. Because this isn't true for all 5-digit palindromes. They're saying just in this case we're restricting ourselves to the digits 1, 2, and 3. Because for example, 1, 2, 9, 2, 1. This would be a palindrome. So first take note of that. And also they're saying there should be an only in here. I feel like we're forming 5-digit palindromes only from the digits 1, 2, and 3. So first, make sure you understand what they're saying and what they're trying to say, at least. Then I'm going to say how many such palindromes are possible. So there's no predetermined formula or anything that we can plug into to find this. This question is really testing your ability to find patterns on your own, and then sort of make inferences from there. You have to derive your own formula for how to solve this. So I just want to start, let's just see if we can come up with some examples. And so what are some of the simpler examples? So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This would be a 5-digit palindrome. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. This would be another one. 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. And then we can't go to 1, 1, 4, 1, 1 because we got to stop at 3. We can only use 1, 2s, and 3s. So here is sort of one triplet. And so what can we sort of extrapolate from here? So all of our numbers are going to have this pattern here, where they're sort of going to be mirror images reflected around this middle term here. So if I sort of label my digits, I'm always going to have some middle term C, and that has 3 options, 1, 2, or 3. And then B is always going to be equal to D, and A is always going to be equal to E, right? So based on that, we can sort of find the number of combinations by saying what? So how many options do I have for my 3 middle terms? So there's 3 options there. And then I compare any of these 3 options for my middle term with 3 options for BD, right? Because those have to be the same. So from those, I will get 9 possibilities, but that's 9 3-digit palindromes. And then any of those 3-digit palindromes can be paired with 3 possible values for A and E, which multiplies your total by another 3. And so this should just be 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So E. You probably wouldn't, want to keep. You probably couldn't write out all 27 possibilities. So if you started going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, so on and so on. Eventually, hopefully, you would reach, something along the lines of this conclusion before writing them all out. Maybe you can, get to 12 and see that you're not even close, and then eliminate 12 and 15 and choose from one of these. I don't know, but I would say the real way is just to think about it a bit and get E.